A training program for enumerator and supervisor in connection with census exercise was disrupted by members of JFD student wings at SK Women's College. The members of JFD student wing were briefly detained before being released from Numbol police station. JFD student wing reportedly disrupted the training program on census as a part of ongoing movement of campaign for just and fair delimitation against census before NRC. Members of JFD student wing reportedly entered the training hall at SK Women's College and ordered officials and trainees to walk out of the hall. The members of JFD student wing also pasted posters that read "No NRC, no census" and then locked the training hall. Meanwhile, the team of Numbol police station rushed to the spot and picked a few members of JFD students wing. The detained students were later released. On the other hand, speaking on the sideline, convener of JFD students wing, Naurem Wangamba, stressed on the importance of identifying illegal immigrants through NRC before continuing with census. He urged the people to support the demand of JFD and appeal government to conduct census only after NRC update.
Ngasi lengak sina census tawgani na thorangdi bchesigi training ama pangthongna bagi damakta ngasi wazasing amadi lairiba siga mari leinaba sing pulam bane student wingi maikai dagi haiba training session asi thinggenjare leibak sigi tungi mirol sigi damakta khanbiraga ngasi wazasing bu oigera any profession bu oigera masida maru oiba daita lobiriba mipum khudimangna aikoi tangai phadan tawderba yadraba ithaudangni maramdi karigi damakta tungi mirol singi tungi yellow proof sibu kannaba honaba matamda ngasi sumaina soigiba mayam sina maram oiraga ngasi mangda ireisa ifurupsa kya ama wa bataminar hayeng matung tarakta hena soida namagi damakta non corporation movement ama punna leba miyam punna dominasi haidana sogachari loina political party na singba khenaba wakhalun duna ma tongana thambiraga ngasi tungi miro sigi jati sibu kannaba honaba matamda punamak thogai lominasi maru oiba aikoi gi tawdaba yadaba thodangi habadu khangminasi